Okay, so we are out with the Sidewinder wing again. So I was critiqued last time for all my high and long passes. This time we're going to fly it low, tight and pylon style, which is really what it's all about. We haven't put any FPV gear in it yet, but I'm just going to fly it line of sight, but keep it low, keep it fast and see how it goes. Where's the wind now? How's on camera?
It's from your right, it feels like.
From there.
Right, corner of the field, I reckon. Oh, what a difference!
Bit better.
Oh, he's in it.
Trying to keep it low.
Height is your friend. Gonna catch it, Tom?
You're joking.
What's the matter with you?
Slice me in half.
Big girl. I'm not suggesting you catch it at high speed, moron. Just
Slow it down and
float
catch
it in and catch it. Man of your caliber and skills surely could do that with his eyes shut. I dare you. Eyes shut. Eyes shut. Eyes shut.
Jeez.
Yeah, I wouldn't catch it at that speed. I've got a medical kit in the car if you need it. It'll be fine. As long as you don't bleed on the leather.
I'm not convinced catching it's a very good idea.
It's not about being a good idea, it's about it making a good video. Oh, what a queen. With your After Effects, can you put some chicken wings on your back? And some sound effects.
That was fun. So quite difficult actually because the sun is, it's in the evening. I know it's about 6, half 6. And the sun's over there, it's quite bright. So I wanted to avoid going over there, but so quite hard, quite difficult to keep it low and within the pack. But great fun. Pretty quick, wouldn't you say, Al?
Oh, it's brilliant, yeah, very quick.
That is really quick. So a bit more practice and we'll put some FPV gear in it and see if we can fly as low as fast and have some fun with it. That's the Durafly Sidewinder from hobbyking.com. Look it up and put in a 4S 2200 pack. It's already built, you don't have to do anything, you just put in your receiver and you go. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
Right, do you want to do that again after I press the record button?
You what?